There is a young child in the masjid making noise. This is fine. This is no problem with this. This is how they grow up and this is how they learn. So we shouldn't be harmed by this. Alhamdulillah, this is how they learn. They come to the masjid, they make noise, they see, they copy, they paste. Alhamdulillah. And tomorrow they become our leaders. Barakallahu feekum. استووا أقيموا صفوفكم وسدوا الخلل أحسنوا إقامة الصفوف استووا